So, today we will be studying the fundamental unit of life, which is called the cell. There are various types of cells present in our body which make up the tissue. The types of cell are पहला तो prokaryotic cell and दूसरा is eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is the cell that lack a defined nucleus and the eukaryotic is a cell that has a defined nucleus. प्रोकैरियोटिक में हम बात करते हैं कि उसमें डिस्पोज जेनेटिक मटेरियल इन साइटोप्लाज्म होता है और उसके जो सेल होते हैं वो न्यूक्लियस को लैक करते हैं, ठीक है। और यूकैरियोटिक का जो होता है उसमें एक तो प्लांट सेल होता है जिसमें सेलुलोज सेल वॉल, क्लोरोप्लास्ट एंड वैक्यूल्स होते हैं। दूसरा एनिमल सेल होता है जिसमें रिजिड सेल वॉल एंड फ्लैजिला भी प्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं। फिर तीसरा बात करते हैं प्रोटिस्ट। दे कैन हैव अ सेल वॉल विदाउट डिफ्रेंशिएटेड टिश्यू। प्रोटिस्ट को हम यूनिसेल्यूलर यूकैरियोट्स भी बोलते हैं। एंड तीसरा होता है फंजाई, chitin cell wall, and they are heterotrophs. So cells are basic fundamental unit of life which makes our tissues. So let us discuss it now. Life as we know it looks billions of years to evolve from the very first precursor of life to the multinucleated organism that we see around us today. All about the cell. Cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. A number of cells can work together to form tissues and organs. Let us discuss more about the cell that are cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process by which the food releases energy in the mitochondria. Cell absorb glucose from the food and burn it to produce energy. Now there are structure organization of cell as the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. We have discussed it earlier also that prokaryotes lacks well defined nucleus and eukaryotes have the nucleus. Now we will discuss cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It is made up of the phospholipid bilayer membrane. It is selectively permeable in nature and the structure of cell membrane is best described by the fluid mosaic model. ठीक है. Now we will study what is diffusion. The movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration is known as the diffusion. So now we will see more about the diffusion. So diffusion means diffusion is the means of transport. First one is diffusion, second one is facilitated diffusion, third is passive transport, and fourth is active transport. Osmosis in selectively permeable membrane. Osmosis is the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis is a selective process since the membrane does not allow the molecules to pass through it. Water is usually the only free-flowing molecules across the membrane. Now we'll discuss isotonic, hypotonic solution and hypertonic solution. Isotonic solution जिसके both solute and the pH are same surrounding the body fluid and cytoplasm. Hypotonic में lesser amount of solute concentration होता है compared to surrounding और hypertonic solution में higher concentration of solution होता है compared to the fluid and the push water of the cell shrinking it. और सेल वॉल्स इन प्लांट्स जो होते हैं सेल्स प्लांट सेल्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एनिमल सेल्स ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेल वॉल. द सेल वॉल इज मेड ऑफ द सेल्यूलोज एंड गिव द रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर टू द प्लांट सेल. It provides a structural support to the plant. Due to the cell wall, the cells of the plants, fungi and bacteria can withstand great change in surrounding condition than animal cell. Cell wall enables the cell to withstand hypotonic solution without bursting. Now we will discuss the cell organelles. So eukaryotic cells contains various membrane bound organelles that carry out various functions in the cell. Example is nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, etc. So here are plant cells and animal cell. Let us डिफ्रेंशिएट इट. तो प्लांट सेल में सबसे पहले वी कैन सी कि उसमें सेल वॉल है वाइल एनिमल सेल में सेल वॉल नहीं है. सेल मेम्ब्रेन दोनों में प्रेजेंट है. देन वी विल कम टू द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज ऑल्सो इन बोथ गोल्गी apparatus we can say in plant cell also, in animal cell also. Now we will see ribosomes. This is also present in both plant and animal cells. And but the plant cell has a large central vacuole, but the animal cell lack it. Now we'll come to the nucleus. न्यूक्लियस में का लेट्स डिस्कस द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. सबसे पहले तो उसका एक पोर होता है, फिर न्यूक्लियर इन्वलप होता है, उसके अंदर ये न्यूक्लियोलस होता है जो न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म के अंदर होता है. न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म में क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल होता है और ये न्यूक्लियस एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में इम्बेडेड होता है. अगर हम बात करें क्रोमोजोम्स की, क्रोमोजोम्स आर द जेनेटिक मटेरियल प्रेजेंट इन द न्यूक्लियस. इट कंटेन्स डीएनए with associated protein. They are present as a thread called chromatin. During the growth phase of the cell, the chromatin condenses into much thicker structure called chromosome. Chromatin is a thread-like structure which serves as genetic material present inside the nucleus of the cell. Cytoplasm is the fluid found inside the cell, and it gives the structure to the cell and houses different organelles of the cell. Thank you.